Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to share insights on how leading organizations are leveraging artificial intelligence as an essential part of their operations. Today's presentation is titled, Using AI to Scale Enterprise IT Operations at Nationwide Scale, with Vincent Gianni leading the discussion. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how AI is transforming IT operations across large-scale enterprises and supporting tens of thousands of users around the world. Let's get started. AI has really come a long way. It's no longer just a proof of concept or experimental project. Today, AI has become a core part of operational technology that helps organizations grow and scale more efficiently. What this means is that companies can expand without needing to proportionally increase costs or hire more people. For organizations operating on a national or even global level, traditional IT service models just can't keep up with the pace of growth, the increasing complexity, or the changing expectations of users. The tools and systems we once thought of as experimental or innovative are now absolutely essential infrastructure. This shift from experimentation to operational necessity highlights how AI and modern technology are transforming how organizations function at a fundamental level, making them more agile and capable of meeting today's demands. AI operates within existing ITSM workflows, meaning it's not a separate tool on its own, but rather integrated into the operational infrastructure we already have in place. This embedded approach allows us to enhance our current processes without overhauling everything. One of the key benefits we've seen is improved first contact resolution rates. That means when users reach out for support, we're able to resolve their issues more often on the first try. At the same time, the overall time it takes to resolve incidents has decreased across all categories. So, we're resolving issues faster and more efficiently. This leads us to faster resolution overall. AI-assisted triage and intelligent knowledge retrieval play a big role here. They help us sort and address issues more quickly, which has significantly reduced call volume. Importantly, we're achieving this without sacrificing the quality of our service. The most immediate and noticeable impact is how AI is reshaping the way IT teams manage support and resolution at scale. It's helping us reduce our reliance on manual workflows, automating many routine tasks, and freeing up our teams to focus on more complex issues. Overall, this integration is making our support processes smarter, faster, and more scalable. Let's talk about how AI-driven runbooks are transforming incident management. These runbooks can trigger automated fixes for known issues, which means quicker resolution times and less manual intervention. This process is part of what we call remediation, where the system actively works to fix problems as soon as they are identified. Now, one of the key strengths here is the ability to identify connections across seemingly unrelated events. This is what we refer to as correlation. By recognizing patterns and links between different alerts, the system can understand that these events might actually be part of a larger issue, even if they appear disconnected at first. And how does this work so effectively? It's thanks to machine learning analyzing telemetry data in real time. It looks for patterns and anomalies across all the data flowing through infrastructure, network, and applications. This is detection, where the system proactively spots emerging issues before they impact users. The ultimate goal here is proactive incident response. Instead of waiting for users to report problems, the system anticipates issues and addresses them in advance. This helps us maintain higher service quality and reduces downtime, all driven by intelligent correlation and automation. It's a powerful example of how AI is making our systems smarter, faster, and more resilient. These capabilities really empower IT leadership to have conversations with business stakeholders that are grounded in data, rather than relying on anecdotal evidence or reactive responses. When you can bring solid data into the mix, the discussions become more strategic and focused. Capacity forecasting, demand modeling, and anomaly detection are key tools here. They provide leadership with actionable insights, meaning they help make informed decisions about where to invest, how to optimize resources, and they also help identify emerging risks early on. This is what we mean by operational intelligence at scale, having the right data at the right time to make smarter, more confident decisions. Ultimately, these data-driven leadership decisions align with our goal of creating a more proactive, strategic approach to managing IT and business operations. It's about moving beyond guesswork and intuition, and instead, making decisions based on real insights that drive better outcomes. Now, let's look at the 6 key areas of AI-driven transformation that are essential for ensuring effective and disciplined operations. First, we have operational governance, which is about establishing clear accountability and structured processes to support AI initiatives. This helps us maintain consistency and trust in our AI systems. Next is anomaly detection, where statistical models play a crucial role in spotting unusual patterns across our systems and user behaviors. This enables us to identify potential issues early before they escalate. Then, we have capacity forecasting, which uses predictive analytics to anticipate infrastructure demand and plan resources accordingly. This ensures we're prepared for future needs without overallocating or under-provisioning. Automated remediation comes into play with runbook automation, triggered by AI recognizing known issues. This allows us to resolve problems faster and with less manual intervention. Incident detection leverages machine learning to correlate data from infrastructure and applications, providing early warnings of potential incidents. This proactive approach helps us stay ahead of problems. Finally, automated triage, knowledge retrieval, and case resolution are integrated into our ITSM workflows, streamlining service management and accelerating problem resolution. Together, these 6 areas form a comprehensive framework that drives AI effectiveness through disciplined processes and clear accountability, ultimately transforming how we operate and deliver value. AI does not replace operational rigor, it actually amplifies it. What I mean is that AI relies heavily on the foundation we set: structured data, well-defined processes, and human accountability for outcomes. Without these, AI systems can give us unreliable results, which defeats their purpose. It's critical to understand that none of these capabilities, data, processes, or accountability, can function effectively without proper governance. Successful AI adoption is not just about technology, it's about ensuring we have clean data, disciplined processes, and clear accountability in place. That's why governance is non-negotiable. If we want AI to truly add value and be trustworthy, we must prioritize these elements. Clean data ensures accuracy, disciplined processes keep everything consistent, and clear accountability makes sure someone is always responsible for the outcomes. This ties back to the overall theme of the presentation, which is that technology alone isn't enough. It's about how we govern and manage that technology to truly unlock its potential responsibly and effectively. Data-driven insights are truly transforming how we make decisions. Instead of reacting to issues after they happen, we can now anticipate and act proactively. This shift allows us to decide where to invest, where to optimize processes, and where risks need our immediate attention. Moving from a reactive stance to a proactive one is key to staying ahead in today's fast-paced environment. When we talk about strategic agility, we're emphasizing how faster resolution times and first contact fixes lead to happier, more satisfied employees. When issues are resolved quickly, disruptions are minimized, and staff can focus on what really matters, driving the core business forward. Enhanced user experience is another vital aspect. By scaling our IT operations effectively, we can support tens of thousands of users without needing to proportionally increase staff or infrastructure costs. This means we maintain high service quality even as we grow, ensuring our users remain satisfied and productive. Finally, all these improvements contribute to operational efficiency. When we optimize our processes and leverage data insights, we're not just improving individual performance, we're creating a more agile, cost-effective organization overall. This is how we drive meaningful business impact in a competitive landscape. Let's look at how to track model performance, identify drift, and iterate based on real-world results. Continuously monitoring your AI's performance is crucial to ensure it stays accurate and effective over time. When we notice any drift or decline in performance, we can make adjustments and improvements accordingly. This ongoing process helps keep the AI aligned with changing conditions and business needs. Next, it's essential to define who owns the AI outcomes and who is responsible for maintaining the model's accuracy over time. Clear accountability ensures that there is someone dedicated to overseeing the AI's health, making updates, and addressing any issues that arise. Without this clarity, models can quickly become outdated or less effective. Now, when integrating AI into your organization, it's best to embed it within your existing ITSM processes rather than creating entirely separate systems. This approach allows AI to enhance current workflows seamlessly, making adoption smoother and more natural for your team. It's about working smarter, not harder, by leveraging what you already have in place. Another critical point is ensuring that your data is clean and structured. Reliable AI and machine learning models depend heavily on high-quality data. Making sure your data is accessible, accurate, and well-organized is non-negotiable for achieving meaningful results. Poor data quality can undermine even the most sophisticated models. Finally, it's important to identify specific areas where manual processes cause bottlenecks or delays. Starting with operational pain points allows you to target your AI efforts where they can make the biggest difference. Addressing these pain points helps improve efficiency and provides quick wins, demonstrating the value of AI early on. All of these factors, monitoring performance, defining ownership, seamless integration, data quality, and targeting pain points, are key success factors for adopting AI at the enterprise level. When combined, they create a solid foundation for realizing AI's full potential in your organization. The question is no longer whether to adopt AI, but rather how quickly you can embed it into your operational fabric. The key challenge is doing so while maintaining the governance and accountability that enterprise operations demand. It's not just about implementing AI, but doing it thoughtfully and responsibly. At an enterprise scale, organizations that manage to operationalize AI effectively will not only scale faster, but also operate more reliably. They will be better equipped to adapt quickly, avoid pitfalls, and ensure consistency across their processes. Most importantly, these organizations will deliver a significantly better experience to their workforce, which is crucial for engagement and productivity. The takeaway here is clear. AI is no longer optional. It's an essential part of modern enterprise strategy. The real advantage comes from how quickly and responsibly you can integrate AI into your operations while upholding the standards of governance and accountability. That's what will set you apart in a competitive landscape.